Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. This video we're gonna be reviewing another item and creating a makeup look with that. So I got my hands finally on a brand new Makeup Revolution jewel collection. I got a palette called Gilded. I haven't swatched it yet. It's still packed. I got this online, by the way. There's no box. That's why I'm really surprised. You know, usually any of the makeup palettes by Makeup Revolution comes in a little box. I think without any further ado, we should open this up. So there's this little stick in here. To begin with, I forgot to mention how much I love this gold colored packaging. It looks so super cute and I like that 3D action going on in here. The palette itself, oh, okay, like it. So it comes with a plastic cover for the palette. As always, it has a humongous mirror in here, which is always a plus, and 20 amazing colors. 6 are bigger pans and then the rest of the 14 are the smaller pans. I don't know why they decided to do that, but as long as I see, the top 6 ones are proper glitter shimmery ones, and then we have 4 more shimmers and the rest are matte. So it's perfect that it has mixture of shimmer and of matte colors. I personally usually go for matte colors as my eyes are so hooded, so it looks better on me, but I do like shimmer, trust me. Really want to swatch these top colors because they just look so pretty. So first one is a pretty, I like the names as well, just listen to the names of these colors. Pretty, Dreamboat, Glam, Mesmeric, Alluring, Fetch, So What, Forbidden, Favorite, Sweet Life, Summer Love, Confession, Thrill, Limitation, Morocco, Heartfelt, Irreplaceable, Hot-Headed, Heatwave, and Blackout. Okay, so I'm gonna try from this color that is called Pretty. Let's see if it's really pretty or not. Wow, that looks like a proper highlighter to me actually. I mean, you could definitely use this as a highlighter if you want to. Look at that. I'm gonna use it today as a highlighter actually. I hope you see this. The reflection. So second glittery color is more of a rose gold. It's called a Dreamboat. It's really pigmented. By the way, this colors, this shimmery colors, oh my god, how pretty! This looks like a highlighter to me. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like a pure highlighter to me. And these colors are so creamy. It feels really creamy, but when the swatch, it goes as a powder. Like the formula, honestly, like the formula, and it's mega pigmented, as you see. Alright, let's watch one more. Let's watch this Glam one. I think this one for my skin tone would be perfect as a highlight actually. Oh, this looks so good. Yeah, my highlighter today I think would be this one, the Glam one. I just want to go in and swatch all of them. Okay, that's fine. Like a proper deep copper color. Oh my god, you guys. I don't even know which makeup look to go for today because these colors looks amazing and I just want to try them all. I think we should swatch some of the mattes as well just to see how pigmented they are. Okay, so it's really pigmented. I really liking it so far. I like this yellow golden color, which is called Forbidden. So this one has a shimmer, but the texture is totally different to these ones. These are very creamy. You can even see that where I pressed the finger in, but this one is more of a powdery one. Okay, let's swatch this one. Totally different to this shimmer. Still very much pigmented. Let's try this heat wave. I'm not going to be swatching all the colors because I think you get the idea and I got the idea how pigmented they are. So the colors itself has a different texture to it, which I think gives you so many different possibilities and abilities to create so many different looks with that. I don't even know what look we should go for, but I'm thinking of maybe halo kind of type. Just from the swatches, the quality, amazing. I've been loving Makeup Revolution in general for maybe 5 years. I actually liked their products when the brand was just created and it wasn't really popular. Not too many people knew about it. I liked their products already at the time, but that Makeup Revolution and this Makeup Revolution is like completely different level. Every time I'm getting a new palette from Revolution, the quality just goes up. I don't know if you own any of the makeup palettes, but if you do, if you'll get a new one, just test it out for yourself. Just do a few swatches from the older palettes with the new palettes and you will see the difference. So just for that, I'm super impressed and I couldn't recommend this palette more because 20 colors. I think this one costs only a 10 of a palette itself, and you get 20 colors. And the top 6 ones you can even use as your highlighter. So I think without any further ado, we should just create a makeup look. What do you guys think? Set it with Revolution Pro Press Finishing Powder. For our transition color, I'm gonna go with a color called Favorite. So I'm going with this color higher than my creases. I wanna mix in a little bit of a summer love, so I'm gonna add in exactly the same place. Basically blending these two colors together. Can you see how pigmented this palette is? I accidentally touched one of the colors and it went all over my hand. Next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take the color called Frill and gonna go on the outer and on the inner corners of my mobile lid. And dragging what's left on a brush through that crease part that we did. Just what's left on a brush, no extra product. I'm taking a color called Blackout and do exactly the same thing. Go on the outer corner and then the inner corner and then blend that's left on the brush through the crease part. And now what I'm doing, I'm just blending it so there's no harsh lines. I'm not worried about outer corners much yet, as I don't have any foundation. Before I'm gonna apply foundation, I'm gonna clean this part off. I really wanted brown color to pop more, so I'm just gonna take some of this Favorite on and go on the transition color that we did, just a tiny bit. So next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up this part in here. So for that, I'm gonna use, once again, Conceal and Define. Just gonna take a little bit on a brush. Add a little bit of a setting powder. So for the halo part, I really can't decide which color to go with. So next thing what I'm doing, I'm gonna use the same brush that I used before for blending and kind of blend out the edges of these two colors. I'm gonna apply a bit of the eyeliner, so I'm gonna use the one by Makeup Revolution. And the eyeliner is on, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, a little bit of the Morocco. And for the inner eye corner, I think I'm gonna go with a Glam. A little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Gonna use NYX for the Hype one. I'm wearing lash extensions, as you probably noticed, so that's why I'm not applying falsies or mascara on my top lashes. But obviously, if you don't wear the lash extensions, I would recommend to apply the mascara or the falsies. I'm gonna quickly jump in and apply a little bit of a foundation, and then I'm gonna get back to you and we're gonna finish off the look. So I got the foundation on and I tidy up these corners. Like I said, you probably see I don't have any highlighter on my cheeks because I think this color called Glam would be a perfect highlighter. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna test this out as a highlighter. Although I know this is an eyeshadow palette, but I just have to do this. Look at that glow. So if you're traveling and you don't want to pack too many things, you take this eyeshadow palette and you can use in so many ways. Actually, you could use these two colors for contour. You can use this as a blush. I am loving this palette so much. I can't even contain myself how good it is. I think our makeup look is missing a little bit of lippy, so I'm gonna go with Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Premonition. And our makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Honestly, guys, I am so impressed how good this Jewel Collection Gilded eyeshadow palette is. So good. Couldn't recommend more. Super pigmented, blends so easy, and the quality itself is amazing, top notch, honestly. Couldn't recommend this more. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review video and the tutorial. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I would really do appreciate that if you press that button to subscribe. And I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Ciao for now.